Hello, we are presenting Suraksha Chain, an AI system that protects delivery income using real time validation. Every day, millions of delivery partners step out to earn their living. But when it rains, when temperatures spike, or when a zone shut down, their income simply disappears. No warning, no backup, and no protection. And in many cases, they lose up to 40 to 60% of their income. Their earnings are highly time sensitive and location dependent. Lunch and dinner behave differently, and what affects one zone may not affect another. But existing solutions are generic and don't understand how gig workers actually earn. For example, Ravi, a delivery partner in Balandur, expects to earn around 480 during dinner hours. But due to heavy rain, he earns only 140, a drop of more than 70%. Suraksha Chain solves this using a simple automated workflow. It first detects disruptions like rain or heat using the real time data. Then it checks if the rider is active in that zone. Next, it compares expected income with actual earnings in real time. We don't just detect events, we verify the impact. And if the drop is more than 30%, the system triggers a payout instantly. No forms, no calls. We only trigger, validate, and pay. Our key innovation is earning reality validator. Instead of just checking whether a disruption occurred, we verify whether the rider actually lost income. The system integrates weather APIs, platform earnings data, and an AI model to validate income loss. Once validated, payouts are processed instantly through UPI. Suraksha Chain ensures fair and real time income protection by understanding how delivery earnings actually work. Because when work stops, payouts should start. Thank you.